Connect USB Micro B devices to your USB Type-C host with reduced clutter. Connect Micro USB 3.1 devices, portable drive, dock, etc. or older USB 3.0 devices to a USB 3.1 computer, charge and sync older micro USB 3.0 mobile devices with a USB 3.1 laptop. Compatible with USB-C laptops such as Lenovo P70, HP Spectre X360, Macbook Pro, Nexus 5X, etc. 0.5 meters USB-C to micro USB, 50 centimeters USB 3.1 Type-C to micro USB Type-B cable, 20 inches micro USB 3.1 to USB-C. This non-standard 0.5 meter cable is great for close-range connections from your USB-C laptop to a USB 3.1 drive enclosure, dock or other micro USB device, wherever you go. The short cable lets you set up your equipment without excess cable getting in your way. It's extremely portable, which is perfect for connections in small off-site workspaces or in a coffee shop or hotel room. With a bandwidth of 10 gigabits per second, this USB 3.1 Gen 2 cable lets you transfer and back up data at twice the speed of USB 3.0 and 20x faster than USB 2.0. You can also connect older USB 3.0 peripheral devices to newer computers, with data transfer speeds of up to 5 Gbps. Top reviews from the United States. USB-C to USB Micro fits the bill for connecting an external hard drive to a MacBook Pro. Sturdy connecting cable for an external drive with USB Micro connector to a computer with USB-C ports. Does the job it was designed for.